The 2010 Toyota Tundra. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful eight-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, a split folding rear seat, front dual-zone air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, an overhead console, and power windows. Dynamic proportions are achieved thanks to stylish alloy wheels fitting perfectly inside the fenders. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, knee airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.